Welcome to the video, guys. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. Usually I'll do an unboxing somewhere, probably inside, and show you. Today we're actually out on a walk and we're going to try and use this product first time when we're out and about. We'll see how it goes. I say it's an unboxing. I've unboxed it, but I've not took out the pack yet. It's this little thing in the front of my backpack. Left it in there for the video just so you could see how big it is in comparison. So this is what we're going to be looking at today. It's a lightweight, compact camping chair. Weighs about 1 kilogram, which, depending what you're doing, I bought this for days like today, if I'm out on a walk, or mainly for wild camping. So the 1 kilogram, people may be thinking that's a little bit much. So that's personal preference, really. If you want that comfort, or if you want less weight. Some people are quite happy just sitting on a foam pad or just grass, so leave it with you. So comes in a little bag, as we can see, and we're going to try and set this up live for the first time. Right, so you may have to bear with me a minute because I've not had a go at this before. I've not had one like this either. So got the frame, I presume, and the seat itself. Does come with some easy setup instructions, and it's a basic 4-step. So it's like a tent. You've got your poles, which are connected by an elastic string, and they just should, well, they should slot into place. So let's have a look. Comes with a little rubber band around it, and what I'm hoping is all these should be connected. That was pretty quick. Don't know if the rest's going to go that easy. It sounds like it is. So far so good. We've got a bit of spinning going on. Let's just make sure everything's in place. I think that's it. So that's the frame. Nice and simple. Apparently this one has got, and if you can see, these feet at the bottom, and that's apparently to stop it from sinking in the floor. You can buy like an extra foot base thing, like it's like a mat that it sits in to stop it sinking in sand and extreme soft mud. So now we've got the seat itself, and this should, I say should, just hook over. We've got these little slots here for it to go in. I'm assuming that one's the back, but I could be wrong, so just bear with me. So that's on. That's on. Also comes with 3 pockets, one at either side, and there should be one at the front down here, as you can see. So yeah, we have got it the right way. This is a little strap. I'm guessing that's just to wrap it all up when you're done. So pop that in the bag for a minute, just so we don't lose it. Bottom ones then. I'm only guessing this guy, by the way, guys, just so you can see how simple it hopefully is. So we did the top ones first. I'm guessing that was right, because then the bottom ones have this little pull. That's so you can pull it nice and tight without trapping your fingers. Nice little touch. So let's try it. And there's one. And there's 2. And we're on. Obviously it did twist before, but now it's all together. It's not going to. It is nice and light. Feels quite sturdy. Keep my elastic band. And we will now do the test, I suppose. We are on uneven ground here, so that's probably not the best start. As you can see, it's a bit wobbly, but we'll give it a little go. And you know what? That's alright. I'm quite happy with that. I'm quite impressed. So the product itself, I bought it off Amazon. It's a Umi chair, but it does say Amazon brand, so I don't know if they have something to do with it themselves. I think I paid about £25 for this on Amazon Prime, so next day delivery. What you can do, if I look at the pictures, I've not done it, to stop your bag from getting muddy, is before you put the cover on, the bag itself has 2, a hook either end, and basically you can slide that onto here, onto the frame. Keeps it off the floor. You can also then use it to store things in if you're going to have your chair up for a while. Just an extra little pocket, I suppose. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to have a little sit down for a minute, have a drink, and then I'm going to pack it away and see if that's just as easy. Right, so I thought I'd also try and demonstrate. I'm not sure if I can. It has, just while we're on video, has gone to the floor a little bit, but obviously it's not actually sunk, so the feet did the jobs. A little bit muddy, but that's going to happen in this sort of weather. So I'm going to try and take it down now and put it back in the bag, see how easy that is. So we're going to start at the bottom. That came off nicely. What I will show you quickly is what I was on about now that's out of the way. So yeah, you can slide this onto there and then put your cover on. Just gives you an extra little storage compartment. But we don't need to do that now because we're packing away. So bottom's off, top's off. So we're going to just have to fold that up in a bit, and then all these should, I suppose, just come out like they would in your tent. I'm not sure if there's a certain way to do this. I'm trying to pull them all out and fold them towards the centre. Probably should have knocked a bit of that mud off, but we'll sort that out at a later date. So what I might do as well is just put an extra little carrier bag inside this for the legs for the future, you know, just to stop it getting the seat muddy, because I've not picked the best location to be doing this, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not going to tell you to do it. I bet you can lob this in the washing machine or hand wash it on a gentle wash. Leave it with you. Moment of truth, can we get it back in the bag? Because that's the problem with some tents, getting them back in the bag they come in. It's usually a tight squeeze. That, not so much. We're back in the bag, which will go back on the backpack, and we're going to carry on. So overall, very happy with this. Any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Hope the video's helped, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time, guys.